Mrs. Gogi, for the applicant's hearing. Your Honor, the application before you is a chamber summons in form of habeas corpus. It's directed to the first and second respondent, either by themselves, their agents, or their representatives. Your Honor, this matter is a very sensitive matter and very emotive for the family. The background being that there was a fire at Modern Furniture Pacific at Kwiirwo, where one Joseph Nganga Mūoyo was on night shift.
Where?
Joseph Nganga Mūoyo was on night shift duty. He was an employee. Your Honor, the fire broke out and he did not make it out alive. There was an eyewitness. We have annexed in the affidavit of Esther Wambui wa Hawaii. Your Honor, the chamber summons is supported by the affidavit of Esther Wambui wa Hawaii and further supporting affidavits of Wilson Borunganga, further supporting affidavit of Miriam Wairimo, and a further supporting affidavit of Rachel Wangui Nganga. Your Honor, we are praying that the first and second respondent to produce the body of Joseph Nganga Mūoyo before this honorable court within 24 hours of the order being made, either dead or alive, Your Honor. Further, Your Honor, after the family visiting the police station at Kwiirwo, they were presented with a human skull, a burnt human skull, which was collected at Gatongora in Kwiirwo. It's a dump site at Kwiirwo. We do not know how the police.
You're saying that name is?
Gatongora. Gatongora. So we do not know how the police decided or thought it was for the said Joseph Nganga Mūoyo. The said skull, human skull, is at the mortuary at Vika General Hospital mortuary. Sorry, I'm corrected. That is called General Cargo mortuary, and the DNA tests have been performed, but the family is not yet, has not been informed of the outcome of the DNA results. And under the circumstances, Your Honor, we are praying that the government chemists be compelled to produce all results pertaining to the unknown burnt human remains found on the 26th of March 2025 at the said place, Gatongora. 26th of March 2025. It was found on 26th of March 2025 at Gatongora in Roiru. And that we are further praying, Your Honor, that this Honorable Court order a fresh and independent DNA to be conducted by an independent pathologist, a government pathologist, and a family pathologist. Those are three pathologists for purposes of at least so that you can have independent analysis. Samples have been taken from the family members, of Joseph Nganga Mohia, and also from the said human remains. Your Honor, the respondents now claim that the recovered remains, there was some recovered remains which were found immediately after the fire was put off, which remains resemble a burnt human body. And the independent eyewitness has recorded a statement which is an annexure to the affidavit of Esther Wambui Wahwai, stating that actually the remains that were at the fire site, at the Modern Furniture Pacific at Roiru, was that of a human body. However, Your Honor, the respondents now claim that the said remains at Modern Furniture Pacific at Roiru was that of a dog. Very unfortunate, and that's why I say it's very emotive and very sensitive for the family to be told such a thing about their loved one. Your Honor, under the circumstances, it is on the basis of those grounds that we are praying that this court allow the application as prayed and that the respondents appear before you, Your Honor, to explain the outcome of the investigations that have been done so far, for the family to have closure, Your Honor. We seek directions, Your Honor, in respect of prayer number 2. In a mentioned date, so that the court's directions may be followed as per in our application. That is all.
And I have had the said application, however, I've had the said application, however, I'll be paying this court to give me more time in order to be able to respond to the said application. The reason being that there are issues that have been raised that I'm not privy to. Noting that this matter emanates from Kwiirwo jurisdiction, we'll also require to contact our colleagues at Kwiirwo and also the investigating officers at Kwiirwo, and also to get further directions from my in charge. Therefore, Your Honor, you do pray for more time in order to respond to the said application, and if need be, to file replying affidavits.
Your Honor, we have no objection to.
How much time? 2 weeks, Your Honor. Is 2 weeks okay?
2 weeks is okay, Your Honor.
Then you will also address the court on the issue of jurisdiction. Yes. Both of you just on the issue of jurisdiction in this matter.
Yes.
And if in your conviction you find that actually the court doesn't have jurisdiction, I'm not saying that the court doesn't have, but if in your own assessment you feel the court has jurisdiction, then you may act accordingly and just save time. Save time. But the issue of jurisdiction is highly address it very seriously in your submission.
Well guided, Your Honor.
So, the 16th of September. I'm talking to you, you're talking to yourself.
I'm just saying, hypothesis corpus, these are orders.
Please don't lead me into any direction. The court will make its own ruling. That's why the court was very specific in what it was asking you to do. Yeah, that thing the court has not asked, and I did not call for the response now. So you can always discuss after proceeding. The 16th of September.
16th of September.
So that is a hearing date of the application. So when after you've done what you do, what you plan to do, file your written response and serve. This 16th, I will expect you to have filed and served your response to the applicant. Then we shall address the issue of submissions, whether oral or written.